let's take a look at the Intarsia knitting head designed for the SK280 machine, the AG24. Let's go over the parts and their functions on the AG24 head. This is the counter lever. When it's just not in use, just lay it flat. This is the tension dial, turning it to a higher number. Makes the fabric tighter. The tension dial here and the one on the main machine work just the same. While you churn knitting, if the main machine station is set to 5, match it on the AG24. We can adjust the tension dial based on the yarn thickness. This is the latch brush. It controls the opening and closing of the latch. This is the handle. Hold it while operating. This knitting head is for Intarsia. In regular jacket knitting, which avoids floats on the back. Using the Intarsia knitting head gives this result. Now let's go over how to use it. Start with plain stitches before the Intarsia section. Similar to the SK280 knitting head. This fabric has 3 sections, green, red, and green. Prepare 3 strands of yarn. The AG24 head can be installed on the left side or the right side of the guide rail. Let's get started. The needle is at position B. Move the needle from B to C, ensuring all latches are open. Hook the yarn onto the latches, in line with the hand's movement. Gently pull the yarn and move the head. This completes one row. Now knit another. Hook the yarn and pull the head to knit, as before. The result matches the main head's plain knit. Next, we'll knit with 3 strands of yarn. We follow the knitting pattern. Cross the yarns at the spaces between them. The next yarn should also be placed in the gap. Cross the 2 yarns and then pass them through. Once the yarns are in place, gently hold all 3. And move the carriage. When the carriage returns, repeat the same steps with all 3 yarns. Cross the yarns at the gaps and then loop them. Once looped, gently hold all 3 and pull the carriage once. If the yarns aren't crossed at the gaps, this will create gaps in the spaced sections. Here, the yarn is on the holder, but placed beneath the machine. After finishing the pattern, remove the AG24 to continue knitting. Reattach the original knitting head. That's how you use the AG24 Intarsia knitting head.